Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my videos in my channel. If you have never been here before, my name is Rachel. Hello there. Subscribe down below. I'd love to have you guys here. Don't forget about it. Hit that alarm bell so you never miss a future video, and a big thumbs up, of course. I was supposed to say that when my thumb was up, but I didn't. Today we are going to tie in with last week's video, which was a decor haul for the fall, and today we're just going to do a little clean with me. We're going to get ready for the fall. We're going to decorate as well. I'm going to show you guys everything I do, and we already made a big mess for the day. Let's check this out. So Novelle was trying to get her color marker wonders. She had them in her hands, and she decided that she was eating cereal at the same time, and she just smacked her bowl, and cereal just flew all over the door, all over the floor. I'm not an impressed mama right now. Anyway, we're going to go around. I have the dog licking that up because it's so much easier. We're going to go around. I want to show you guys my bite too. Seems how it's getting better. This is what it looks like. It's been about 5 days now since I've been up to go High Hill. And that's what it looks like. It's itchy and still sore, but it's not as swollen. I've been taking Trimoculin, I think it is. You just rub it on the affected area 3 times a day, and it's clearing up. I know it looks bad still, but it really is clearing up. It just looks bad when you first see it. You think I have something potent on my body. Anyway, we're going to go through. I'm going to show you guys the mess that we're working with today, and then we're just going to go ahead and get started cleaning and decorate with me. If you guys want to see videos like this more often, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button and come join our little family. And now that it's daytime, you can actually see what these look like with the little, these ones are the gel ones, but I put them up last night and you couldn't really tell, but I think they're really cute and it's splendid. And then we have our flowers out there, which make it look really pretty, our little top shelf, another decoration. And then we also have our rooster. You guys can see him over there.